Hello everyone, in this video you will need to know magic loop or magic ring. I make a magic loop like this. Again, insert the hook here, here and back here. Hold it tight and don't make it tight. You must have loop here. And the tail you will hold like this. Chain 4. And now we will make only treble crochet. So yarn over twice. And pull the loop through 2. Pull the loop through 2 again. Yarn over and pull the loop through 2. This is treble crochet. Repeat it 5 times together. So you must have 5 treble crochet . So we have 5 treble crochets, but it seems like 6 treble crochets. But on start we made 4 chains. Now make a slip stitch. Chain 4 again. And make 5 treble crochets again. Make a slip stitch. Chain 4, chain 4 and 5 treble crochets again. We are making already 3rd flower. We need to have 4 flowers together. 4 flowers, it's enough for our project, but you can make 6 flowers or 5 flowers if you want. We have 3 treble crochets, so make 4 and last treble crochet, 5th treble crochet, slip stitch and chain 4, chain 4, and again make 5 treble crochets into the magic loop. Make a slip stitch, and we have drawn our flower. Cut the yarn and pull the tail and make the magic loop tight. Make it tight. And this is my flower. I think it's very easy and quick pattern. Everybody can do it. If you like the video, put the thumb up and subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day and see you soon.